If you're considering Experian for managing your finances or improving your credit score, there are a few things you should know before making your purchase. While it's one of the top names in the credit and finance app world, it's important to understand how it stacks up against the competition. Let's dive into 12 key points. First thing, Experian offers a solid credit score tracker. Unlike many other apps, Experian provides you with your FICO score, which is the most widely used credit score. This is a major plus compared to apps that only offer Vantage Score, a score that isn't always used by lenders. Next thing, Experian's credit monitoring is effective, but it comes at a price. While you do get some free services, like checking your credit score, you'll need a paid subscription to unlock more comprehensive monitoring and reports. This is where it differs from some free apps like Credit Karma, which offers credit monitoring without any hidden fees. The third thing to consider is Experian's identity theft protection. While the paid plans include identity theft monitoring, Experian doesn't offer as extensive a protection package as some competitors like LifeLock, which provides more detailed tracking and alerts for suspicious activity. Next thing, the Experian app provides useful insights for improving your credit. It helps you identify factors that could boost your score, but it's not as detailed as some other services, like Credit Sesame, which offers a more thorough breakdown of what's affecting your credit. The fifth thing, Experian's user interface is clean and simple, but it can feel a bit basic compared to competitors like Mint, which offers more personalized financial advice and budgeting tools on top of credit score tracking. The sixth thing to mention is Experian's mobile experience. The app is available on both iOS and Android, but some users report occasional glitches. This isn't unique to Experian. Apps like CreditWise from Capital One also have similar complaints about occasional app issues. Next thing, Experian's customer support is decent, but if you're expecting fast responses, you may be disappointed. Compared to other services like Credit Karma, where support is more accessible, Experian can sometimes leave users waiting for help. The eighth thing is Experian's premium subscription, which costs more than many other similar services. While it does offer benefits like enhanced identity protection and credit monitoring, the price might seem steep when compared to free or lower cost alternatives like Credit Karma or Mint. The ninth thing, Experian's reporting can be a bit sparse on details at times. If you need an in-depth analysis of your credit report, you might find other services like Identity IQ or MyFICO to be more comprehensive in providing you with the detailed information you need. The 10th thing is Experian's integration with other financial tools. While it does allow you to sync with some external accounts, it doesn't integrate as seamlessly with banking and budgeting apps as some competitors, like Mint, which allows for full integration with your bank accounts and spending habits. The 11th thing, Experian offers free credit monitoring for those who only need to monitor their Experian credit report. But for a more comprehensive look at all three of your credit reports, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, you'll need a paid plan. This could be a deal breaker for some people who prefer a more inclusive solution. The 12th thing to note, Experian's mobile app is designed to be user-friendly, but the notifications can be overwhelming. If you prefer a more minimalistic experience, apps like Credit Sesame provide more control over the frequency and type of alerts you receive. Overall, Experian is a solid option for tracking your credit score and monitoring your credit activity, but it's not the only player in the game. If you're looking for a more comprehensive, lower cost, or user-friendly alternative, check out our recommended solution. It's free to try and might be a better fit for your financial goals.